Hello, Yavneh. We are so excited to welcome you all to campus next week for Open House Week, the week of January 31st. Come to campus, visit us. You haven't been here in 2 years. Tell your friends, tell your family. Everybody's welcome to sign up for a small group tour. Lots of other things happening during the week. You could drop in and visit a class virtually. You can attend our virtual open house next Thursday. It is featuring student-led and student-directed videos from all of our classrooms. And then join us in the field for a Kabbalat Shabbat next Friday the 4th. Lots of fun things happening next week. We cannot wait to see all of you both here on campus and virtually for Yavneh Day School Open House Week 2022. We'll see you later.